How to book flight tickets online in AirAsia. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search AirAsia. You'll find this kind of screen. Click on AirAsia, which is the first option. After you click on AirAsia, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, you'll find option for a round trip. Click on round trip and select the trip you want to book. Then select passenger. And then if you want economy, premium economy, business, or first class. Then at the bottom, you can select from where you want to book a flight and your destination. Then select your departure date, time, and your return. Then press on search beside return. After you press on search, you'll find all the flights available. After you find all the flights available, simply select the flight you want. After you've selected the flight, press on select. After you've pressed on select, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, select what kind of seat you want. After you've selected what kind of seat you want, it will show you your payment method. You can add your payment method or your ID. Then you will be able to book flight. This is how to book flight tickets in online AirAsia. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.